We're going to hear now from Google Cloud. It's a real pleasure to welcome Das Ganamanas, AI Solutions go-to-market lead for APAC from Google Cloud, about Google Gemini. So over to you, Das.
Thank you, team. Hello, and welcome to this session on Gemini Enterprise, the best of Google AI for every employee, every workflow. My name is Das Ganamanas, and as Tim said, I'm the AI Solutions go-to-market lead for Google Cloud in APAC. Now, the pictures you see here were generated by a model we call Gemini Nanobananas. This is Nanobananas' idea of what I would look like over the decades. Personally, I think I look pretty cool in the 1970s, but my wife definitely disagrees. Now, let's dive into the topic for today. We have all seen how AI has fundamentally changed our personal lives, from how we search for information to how we communicate and create digital content. AI is now embedded part of our daily experience. But at work, it's a different story. The average company is now interacting with 254 distinct applications. This means that critical information is trapped in these different applications and data silos, making it nearly impossible for employees to get a unified view. So when employees are forced to search multiple internal and external sources for information, they are wasting productive time and their capabilities are being shortchanged. This fragmentation is the true constraint on organizational efficiency and innovation. This slide is not just a question, it's an invitation to reimagine what your enterprise could truly be. What if every one of your employees could harness everything that AI has to offer, working not just faster, but smarter and more creatively? Imagine your workforce is freed from the friction of repetitive work, capable of doing more with less, and are empowered to focus their time and energy on strategic, high-value activities. This shift ignites true team productivity. It unlocks the collective intelligence of your organization. It is a path to achieving more creativity, more impact, and more possibilities across your enterprise business. And that's where Gemini Enterprise comes in. Gemini Enterprise unifies 6 core components. First is what we call the brains. With the brains, you get direct access to Google's most powerful AI models, like Gemini, Imagine for image generation, and Veo for video generation, all in a simple chat interface. This lets anyone tackle complex multi-modal challenges right away with no technical expertise required. Second is the workbench. Think of it as a platform where any employee from marketing to finance can use simple no-code tools to build and share their own custom AI agents, scaling their expertise across the company. And third is the task force. With the task force, you get value from day one with a group of pre-built agents from Google and Google Cloud partners such as Accenture, Deloitte, and many more. You can immediately use them for specialized tasks like coding, deep research, or data science. Number 4 is the context. An agent is only as good as its information. With Gemini Enterprise, you're able to securely connect all of your company's data, whether it lives in Microsoft, Office 365, Salesforce, Google Workspace, or any other enterprise application, to give truly useful, personalized answers. 5 is governance. Critically, you get enterprise-grade control. You can centrally manage, secure, and audit all of your AI agents from a single dashboard, ensuring everything stays compliant. Last but not least is the partner ecosystem. You can integrate the tools that you already use and easily discover thousands of new validated agents from a massive partner ecosystem to plug right into your workflows. In short, Gemini Enterprise is the single strategic platform where the future of Google's AI innovation will be delivered, moving your business beyond simple task acceleration to automating entire workflows. Okay, so we have covered what Gemini Enterprise can do. Now, let's look at what it looks like in action. I want to show you a real-world example from Gordon Food Service. They are a leading food service distributor in the US with over $21 billion in revenue and more than 15,000 employees. I'll show you a video where you can see how Gemini Enterprise is being used to automate entire workflows and ignite productivity for their employees. Please watch the video.
Gemini Enterprise has been a big win for Gordon Food Service. Not only are we continuing to press forward on using the more technical tools, putting things like Gemini at the fingertips of our workers every single day has been a huge win. Big credit to all of our employees, not just using it to draft emails or analyze spreadsheets. There's a lot of other types of problems that they kind of bring into the Gemini space. Sales teams are using deep research to find out more about their customers. The HR benefits team is using Gemini's podcast to better reach frontline employees. Marketing managers are using pre-built agents and specialized AI agents to find solutions on how to increase brand awareness. An agent on one of our internal teams can work with an agent on another one of our internal teams. That allows us to string together much more complex tasks. Gemini Enterprise puts us at the start of another journey. The real magic of the technology is what it's unlocking from our people.
So that was a powerful look at how Gordon Food Service is empowering their teams to quickly scale with digital coworkers. Now let's dive deeper into how Gemini Enterprise helps your teams move from just task acceleration to strategic work in 4 key areas. First is to work smarter with agents. Second, transform text into art with multimodality. Third is the ability to condense hours of research into seconds. And last but not the least, ship products faster with AI-first coding. Let's unpack, starting with work smarter with agents. We know enterprises need clear value, choice, and control. And that's exactly what Gemini Enterprise is built for. And it's designed to work with your existing investments. So let's look at the 3 key benefits of this task force of agents. First, it transforms work. And this isn't just about drafting an email. It's about automating complex, multi-step processes. Think of agents handling a quarterly compliance checkup by co-authoring the policy in Docs, building the financial model in Google Sheets or in an Excel sheet, and tracking all of the follow-ups in your email application. Second, you can act on ideas immediately, and you don't need a dedicated engineering team for this. With our no-code agent builder, an employee can build their own specialized AI agents, turning the unique knowledge into a scalable, automated process for the entire company. Finally, it's all grounded in your enterprise truth. Agents connect securely to the systems you use every day, your CRM, your ERP, and other applications such as Microsoft Office 365, for example. And because it's powered by Google Quality Search, the answers aren't just fast, they are accurate and based on your organization's data. The next point is about Gemini's multimodal capabilities, going from text to image generation and video generation, which fundamentally changes your creative process. This is about increasing the creative speed while slashing production cost. First, you can accelerate campaigns. Let's take a second to think about your marketing workflow today. To launch a campaign in 5 different regions and languages, you typically need to kick off multiple RFPs and manage ad agencies for weeks or months. With our multimodal models, you can generate your marketing campaigns in local languages and styles with just a few simple prompts. And this isn't just about saving money. It's a critical strategic move that gets you to market faster, giving you an edge over competitors. This is Google giving you choice and speed in your creative execution. Second, it democratizes high-quality content. Your teams can turn static ideas into social collateral without needing expensive studio equipment. Finally, it unblocks creativity. It acts as an AI collaborator, helping your teams overcome creative blocks and explore new ideas instantly. Next, let's look at deep research. Gemini Enterprise transforms hours of work into seconds. You have the ability to get your presentations ready instantly. With deep research, you can consolidate and summarize all of your scattered documents, both internal and external, giving you trusted, grounded answers when you need them. Second, you uncover deep customer needs. Gemini shifts through vast amounts of unstructured data, like call transcripts, to find the nuanced pain points that lead to better products. Finally, you minimize risk. You get a fast, comprehensive analysis of your market and competitors, providing a crucial safety net before your launch. This isn't just a search tool. It's an asset that slashes research time and reduces market risk. Next, let's talk about coding capabilities. With Gemini Enterprise, you can transform your software development in 3 key ways. 1, you accelerate your time to market. Your teams get faster coding with fewer errors, helping ship new products and features dramatically faster. Second, you minimize risk. Enhanced automated QA processes help you find and fix bugs and security breaches before they ever go live. Finally, you can address technical debt. Gemini helps you improve scalability by making it much easier to refactor complex legacy code. As we've discussed, it's becoming easy to build agents, but the real enterprise challenge is governing them. We address this head-on. We provide the tools to deploy and manage your entire AI agent task force with the centralized control, security, and trust needed to scale with confidence. Here is how we do it. Enterprise-grade foundation. So your agents run on the same secure platform that protects Google. This is a non-negotiable promise. An enterprise-grade foundation ensuring immediate trust, compliance, and industry-leading data security. For us, security is a foundation, but it's not the only thing. We build on the security to provide the critical governance tools that customers in highly regulated industries are demanding. Second point is about advanced agent protection. This is where we go beyond traditional security. We protect every agent interaction with built-in AI-specific guardrails that span multi-agent systems. And the last point is about centralized control and visibility. You need to know how many agents you have, what they are doing, and how much they cost. We give you centralized control and visibility to visualize, interact with, and develop all your purpose-built agents in a central location. This is a single source of truth for cost assessment, risk profiling, and providing the necessary observability that spans your entire multi-agent ecosystem. We have shown you what our AI can do. Now, here's the proof of impact for a few of our customers today. Banco BV, a leading financial services organization. Their relationship managers used to spend hours doing their own analytics. Now, with the help of Gemini Enterprise, it's done for them, leaving managers with more time to convert new business. The second example is from HCA Healthcare, which is also from the highly regulated healthcare industry. To improve the critical handoff of patient information during shift changes, HCA Healthcare is implementing a Gemini-powered nurse handoff solution, which is built in collaboration with nurses and grounded in their best practices. The automated handoff report is always reviewed by nurses and is estimated to save millions of hours annually. The next example is from Macquarie Bank in Australia. Macquarie Bank increased their help center self-service by 40% after deploying their smart agent to assist with fraud protection and capabilities such as recommendations to save money. The last example I wanted to talk about is Harvey, who are a leading domain-specific AI for legal and professional services, trusted by Fortune 500 legal teams and over 42% of AmLaw 100 law firms in the US. Powered by Gemini, lawyers are more efficient across contract analysis, due diligence, compliance, and litigation, saving hours and hours of time. The results are consistent across all industries, whether the goal is faster communication, massive efficiency, or strategic localization. Our customers are getting quantifiable results today. This is the real-world validation of the platform we've built. This complete and open approach is why leading companies around the world partner with Google Cloud. We put a decade of AI leadership directly into your hands, turning our innovation into your competitive advantage. So let's dive deeper into how Gemini Enterprise stands apart. The first point is about the unique multimodal AI with top-tier models. You gain the world's most advanced reasoning capabilities, backed by top-tier models like Gemini. This isn't a third-party tool. It's a direct pipeline into Google's research and development. The second point is Google Quality Search. You unlock the full value of your enterprise data by instantly making it discoverable and actionable. We apply the power of Google Search to all of your data, cutting through organizational silos with unmatched speed and precision. The search is always governed by access control, guaranteeing users only see the information that they are already permitted to view. The third point is about the open agent ecosystem, which promotes rapid, flexible innovation by making it easy to create, deploy, and utilize agents across the enterprise. The business impact of this is that this open ecosystem allows your teams to build a secure, unified framework that drives productivity. Business users can leverage no-code builders, while developers are free to integrate with open source frameworks, all under one governed roof. The last point is about agent governance from a single location. You manage all your AI agents from one control plane to maintain oversight and mitigate risk. Agent sprawl is a core governance challenge. We provide the single interface to manage, monitor, and secure agents from any source, whether it's an agent from Google, a third-party platform, or your own developer-built models, ensuring your innovation is always auditable and compliant. Google's secret weapon isn't just our AI, it's a 25-year mastery of the end user. We know what people want, how they interact, and how to fix the biggest problems. We understand the entire journey. That relentless focus on user-first design and unbeatable utility is the DNA of Gemini Enterprise. It's not a test drive, it's the proven intuitive power you've been waiting for, and it's ready for your enterprise. We have a simple 3-step journey to value. We want to make it as easy as possible to see the impact. Number 1, start with the right problem. We kick off with a deep dive conversation with your Google person in charge. The goal here is laser focus. We identify the single most impactful use cases for your line of business. We're not boiling the ocean, we're providing value where it matters most. Second point is to build a quick win. Once we have that clear use case, we move straight into building a pilot. You can leverage our deep bench expertise with Google Cloud Consulting, or you can work with your own existing trusted preferred partner. This space is all about hands-on execution. Number 3 is about scaling that success. Finally, we evaluate the tangible results from the pilot, we measure the matrix, and we don't stop there. This is a cycle. We take those learnings, optimize the solution, and set the stage for you to scale it across the entire enterprise. Thank you for your time today. Do reach out to me on LinkedIn if you have any follow-up questions, or reach out to your Google account manager if you have more questions on Gemini Enterprise.